In today's video, we're going to be talking about ceramic coating. This is the cheapest ceramic coating available on Amazon right now, and I picked up this Mr. Fix 9H coating for the low price of $10.99. Now, this is made in China. It's quite possibly a knockoff of other more expensive brands, or maybe it's not a knockoff at all. Maybe this is just the true price of a ceramic coating. If you've used ceramic coatings in the past, I have not. Let me know in the comments below what brand you guys use, what you think is the best. I've heard of other brands such as Car Pro Quartz, also known as C Pro Quartz for short, and I've seen quite a few other channels using that with a lot of success for around $80 to $90 for a bottle. Anything beyond that seems to me to be quite a bit of money to spend when you're just doing a coating on a car, but I could be wrong because I don't have any experience using ceramic coatings. And on here it says, a unique of premium resins crystal help seal protect for a full 12 months. And what we're going to be doing is applying this to the headlights, which are newly polished, on my Barrique Red E90 328i. If you guys have been following along on this channel for the past month or so, you'll know that I've been on what's literally a rampage wet sanding yellowed old headlights, plastic headlights on my E39, my E90s. Kind of ridiculous to say that I have so many BMWs, but yeah, they all have yellowed and distorted headlights from sitting in the sun, getting UV damage. And I pretty much just went on a rampage wet sanding and buffing all of them. Now, once you finish wet sanding and restoring those headlights, they will go bad after a period of time being in the sun again. So the only true way to prevent it from, turning yellow and having to be wet sanded in a year or so is to apply a coating. Some people like to spray a clear coat, which I'm not really convinced that's the best way to keep a headlight from going yellow again. But one of the other more popular methods is to use a ceramic coating. So let's go outside. I'm going to polish the yellow and horrible looking headlights on my eggplant, as it's known as. And I'm going to apply a coat of Mr. Fix 9H on the headlight lenses. And I'll keep you guys updated over the next few months and see, well, does this really last 12 months or not? So guys, let me know in the comments below, what do you think of the Mr. Fix 9H product? Is $10 too cheap to spend on a ceramic coating, or should I have gotten something more like a C Pro Quartz, which is like up in the $70, $80, $90, $100 for a bottle? Alright guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description box below. I try to respond to every single comment that is made on this channel. And let me know if you have any experience with ceramic coatings. I certainly don't. This is my first time. And of course, I went with the cheapest one I could possibly find. So if you have a brand or anything you can recommend to look out for in the future, please let me know in the comments below. Alright, let's first wipe this down with some isopropyl alcohol to remove any wax residue from the surface of the lens. We'll apply the coating in a crosshatch pattern. And we'll let this flash for about 5 minutes before we buff it with a microfiber cloth.